Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this channel you will find study materials, PowerPoint presentations, video lectures, especially of English literature and linguistics and many more. So please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get notification. Today in this video I am going to talk about what is literature, role of literature in our daily lives, importance of literature, what is linguistics, importance of linguistics, role of linguistics in our lives. So watch the video till the end. Let's get started. What is literature? The word literature is derived from Latin word litera, which means letter. Literature is any written or spoken material writing form with letters. This term is mostly used to refer to work of creative imagination, poetry, drama, novel, fiction, short story, essay, biography, etc. It is communication of thoughts, ideas, and feelings through the written words. Literature is a group of work of art made of words. It is related to ideas and feelings of people, whether it is true or just a product of one's imagination. There are two types of literature. The first one is the oral literature, in which literature is handed down by the words of mouth, for example, riddle, tales, folk tales, etc. And the second type is the written literature, in which there is handwritten records is kept, for example, novels, short stories. The writings are preserved for the future purposes. What is the role of literature in our daily lives, or we may say that the significance and the importance of literature? Literature is important in everyday life because it connects individuals in a society. It creates way for people to record their thoughts and experiences in a way that is accessible to others. Literature is the foundation of life. It lays on emphasis on many topics, from human tragedies to the tales of ever popular research for love. It expresses the feelings and the emotions of people in response to his everyday efforts to live, to be happy in society. Literature teaches us a lot. It is the source of knowledge, help us to learn anything, entertain us and inspire us to take action in life. It helps people to understand the nature of society. Religious literature helps people find the nature of faith. It expands our mind, tell us how to perceive the world in which we are living. Literature has ability to provide pleasure to readers, to help build experience, intellect and thinking skills. We learn about culture. It elevates spirit by bringing out moral values. We can know about our past and present and the vision for the future. It is for all time and become everlasting. It reflects human life and society. It expresses ideology of individual and the nation. At the end, I concluded that literature is a very broad term. It is the most effective way to share ideas, convey messages, and persuade the others. It fills past with light and even predict future, make our thoughts clear about different things and compel us to further go into depth of life. It works as an inspiration in discovering new things and in collecting the exact event from the past, preserve that for the future generations. Hence, without literature, the whole world is meaningless, like it has no essence and starting no purpose. Now come to linguistics. What is linguistics? Linguistics is the scientific study of language. It involves the analysis of language form, language meaning, and the context. Linguists traditionally analyze human language by observing and interplay between sound and meaning. Linguistics also deals with the social, cultural, historical, and political factors that influence language, through which the linguistic and language based context is often determined. Research on language through the sub-branches of historical and evolutionary linguistics also focus on how language change, grow, particular or the period of time language shape our thoughts, our life, impact our life. These all are studied under linguistics. Now let me discuss the importance of linguistics. Because language is such a central feature of being a human, linguistics has intellectual connection and overlaps with many other disciplines in humanities, the social sciences and the natural sciences. Some of the closest connections are with the philosophy, literature, language, pedagogy, psychology, sociology, biology, physics, computer sciences, engineering, health sciences, and speech therapy, etc. The main purpose of the study of linguistics in an academic environment is the advancement of knowledge. However, because of the centrality of language in human interaction and behavior, the knowledge gained through the study of linguistics has many practical consequences and uses. Graduates of linguists apply their training in many diverse areas, which include language pedagogy, concerned with the teaching of language. Second one is the speech pathology, which diagnose the problems related with the speech. Then comes the speech synthesis, natural language interference, and search engines, machines translations, also applied in forensics, naming, classification, and of course, all forms of writing, editing, publishing is concerned with this linguistics. At last, I concluded that literature and linguistics are very important aspects of language. They are interdependent, they depend on each other. Without one, the other is useless, worthless. So they both are juxtaposed, go parallel by parallel. At last, thank you for listening. You find the PDF and PPT file in the description box. Just click there and download it for yourself. Subscribe the channel to get more videos.